Hi fam, it's your mentor Josiah here again with another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step on how to use the MetaTrader 5 or the MT5 app. Alright, so all you need is what? Your mobile phone. I'm going to take you step by step. If you are a complete beginner, be rest assured this is guaranteed. By the end of this video, you are going to understand all the necessary stuff using MT5. So firstly, I'm going to start with how can you get this MetaTrader 5. So you go to App Store if you are using like iOS, that's iPhone, and you go to what app and Google Play Store if you are using like what Android. So this is like the App Store. I'll just search for MT5. Okay, so all you need to do is like what, type MT5. So MT is what? MetaTrader. All right, this is MetaTrader 5. So we have MetaTrader 4 and that of MetaTrader 5. Now just take the MT5 like the iPhone series. Okay, we have iPhone 10. All right, so iPhone 10 is what? The old version. iPhone 10, 11, 12, 12 Pro and all. So this is like what? The MetaTrader 4. And now you are going to take MetaTrader 5 as well, the most recent. Okay, the iPhone 16. So this is what? The upgraded version. This is a particular type of what? App where you can what? Place trade. You are going to connect your broker with what? This particular platform. So if you don't know who a broker is what? Someone or the organization or institution that connects you to the forex market. You cannot just trade forex just by staying at home, all right, without a broker. But with the broker is going to help you to what? Enter the forex market right from the comfort of your home. So you just start being what? Installed, all right, then you just launch this one. So now you need to connect what? Your broker. If you don't have a brokerage account, all you need to do now, go to my YouTube channel. All right, if you go to my YouTube channel now, you are going to check for Joseph Say Concept. Okay, when you check for Joseph Say Concept, then you tap this my icon, then you come to playlist. I have what? Explain, like I've done in the past, a lot of videos about what? MetaTrader 5. So this is what? XNES and MT4, MT5 tutorials. If you tap this one, you are seeing here how to connect your XNES account. So the platform, all right, my broker is what? XNES. So does what? Check the description, all right, or you come to this link here. If you tap this link here, then you tap here. All right, so you are going to see create your forex account for free, best for beginners. All right, so this is the broker. Just ensure to use this, and you also check what? You can scroll down to join what? My Telegram community. It is completely free. I share what? Daily updates. So now we come back to what? The MetaTrader 5 platform. You are seeing all these assets here. All right, you are seeing all these assets, but first I want us to organize this. Let's say you don't what? Like this and all, or you don't want to see like stuff. Let's try to organize this in a more proper way. So we are going to delete what? This currency pairs. Okay, so you go to the top here where you're seeing this person where this arrow is pointing. You press, then you are going to select what? Just delete the ones you want to what? Delete. Let's say we want to delete this one. Now you are only seeing we have BTC USD. This is what? A crypto pair, this Bitcoin. Okay, so now let's say you have what? Specific pairs that you want to add. For example, Zaro. The Zaro is what? My favorite trading pair. I'll come to this place where they say enter symbol. Then you can just what? Enter your symbol. Let's say Zaro XAU USD. So this is what? Gold, right? I'll just tap this green icon to add. If you go to the screen, you're going to see Zaro USD have been what? Added. So now let's say you don't know the pairs to add. You come to the chart icon here. Then you are going to see what? Forex group, indices, stock, crypto, and all. So you just tap what? This Forex group. You are seeing what? Different currency pairs. You are seeing different currency pairs. So let's add what? Some pairs here. Euro USD. Let's see GBP CHF. Just look for like GBP JPY, GBP USD. All right, so you can just go through and try to add what? The pairs that you want. If you already know the pair that you want, you just tap here like USD JPY. So just add. So now you have added this one. These ones are what? Our currency pair or crypto pair, because we have what? BTC, Bitcoin. Then this price which you are seeing at the front here is what? Our bid price. The bid price is what? Your selling price. If you want to sell All right, for example, this is the bid price for what? Bitcoin. Let's say you want to sell Bitcoin. This is the price which you are going to sell Bitcoin. These ones here are called the ask price. The ask price is just called what? The buying price. Okay, so the bid price is what? The price which you want to sell a particular asset, and the ask price is what? The price which you want to buy a particular asset. Forget about the terminologies. You know, those are always like try to break things down to what? Your level, so you get to understand this. If you are finding value so far, ensure to subscribe if you have not, and if you have any questions, it's going to make my day if you just drop them in the comment section, and you have my word, I'll respond within 24 hours. So now let's continue again. You are seeing here BTC USD. You already know like what BTC here is what? The base crypto, and USD is what? The quote crypto. So I've explained about this. You can check my crypto for beginners playlist and forex for beginner. You see this L, all right, L97654. This is the lowest price of this particular asset. So this is Bitcoin. So the lowest price within 24-hour range for Bitcoin is what? 97,654.45 cents. This is what? The high. This age you are seeing here is the high. So if you come to what? ZAO USD, XAU USD, you are seeing low. So this is the lowest price of what? Gold, and this is the highest price. So it's the same for all other pairs. Okay, so we are done with that. If you come to the bottom, you see quote. Quote is just the other name for what? Currency pair. You can say quote, you can say symbol, or you say what? Currency pair. Hope you guys are following up with me. Ensure you take what? Your pen and paper at the end of what? Watching this video for the first time. Repeat again so you grab the concepts gradually. Okay, so now let's go. You come to this area where you see chart. Okay, if you tab here, you are going to see what? The chart. You are going to see what? The chart. I already have a video explaining about what? The anatomy of what? The candlestick. I have a complete step-by-step tutorial, so check my previous videos as well. So now, this is the chart for what? BTC USD. Okay, if you want to change the assets now, you just come to the top here, you tab this one, then you can select what? For example, let's say USD JPY. So this is what? The chart for USD JPY. Okay, these red candles here are what? For the sellers, and the green candles here are for the buyers. So you are seeing here M15. It means like what? Each single candle you are seeing here took 15 minutes to completely form. Each candle you are seeing here took what? 15 minutes to completely form. So this one here took 15 minutes. This one. Whether the candle is what? Green or red, just know like what? They took what? Complete 15 minutes. You can change the time frame. For example, if you come to the top here, you see M15. So this what? The current time frame. Let's say we want to change. You come to the top here. Let's say you want to use H1. H1 is what? 1 hour. Each candle you are seeing here took what? 1 hour to completely form. This one is currently ongoing. After 1 hour, it's going to what? Close. Okay, so this is USD JPY. H1 is 1 hour. This is US dollar versus the Japanese yen. So the name of this currency pair. Then this area is what? The price like chart. This is the current market price. Where you are seeing this one is the current market price. You see these two lines you are seeing here. This is what? The bid price, and that of what? The ask price. So the red at the top is what? The ask price. The green here at the bottom is what? The bid price. You are buying high and you are selling low. You might want to know how you are going to make profit. Check my forex for beginners playlist so you grab the concept. Okay, so now we are done with this one. Okay, we are done with this particular area. So to explain further, this is like what? The cross area where this arrow is pointing. Okay, if you tab here, for you to know what? A specific price range. Now you say I'm scrolling. So let's say I want to know the price range for here. You are going to say like what? It is what? 155.127. So this is what you use the cross here to do, to know a specific price. Okay, so this is 155.843. Then you can type in again, then the cross here is no longer available. Hope we are understanding, fam. Okay, so now you see like this F that looks like what? The function. Okay, this is the F. If you tab in here, this is where you add your technical indicators. If you don't know what technical indicators are, these are what? technical tools or price action tools. They are part of what? The technical analysis. With technical analysis, we have different tools like support and resistance, demand and supply. We have the trend lines, we have pattern, candlestick charts, indicators, and a whole lot more. So this is where you tend to add your indicators. If you want to add any indicators, you have like trend indicators. These indicators shows you it helps you to determine the trend, whether it's an uptrend, a downtrend, or a consolidating or ranging or choppy market. Like in simple explanation, these are zigzag, equal high, equal low. It means equal amount opportunity of buyers and sellers in the market. You have oscillators. We have volume. So let's say I just want to add a random one. So this is where you tend to customize, like you try to input figures. You can check my strategy playlist if you want to use some of my sniper entry strategies to make mad profits. So guys, please ensure you subscribe. This is like information that's what you get to pay for, that I'm giving to you guys for free. So ensure you subscribe. I care and love you guys a lot, so I'm giving you guys this for free. The only way you can show me love is you smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and ensure to click the forward icon to share to others as well, so you also pay love to others. So let's say you are done here. So you see this is the moving average. This one you are seeing here, okay, it shows you the direction, the trend of the market. So this one, you see the market was dropping, and you see the candles were all below this one. Okay, so if you want to delete, you come back here, you just slide, then you delete, then you are done. Okay, then you see this particular area where you're seeing this triangle, you are seeing rectangle, you are seeing circle. This is where you get your tools, your objects. In case you want to draw your support and resistance, you can just here. For example, this is the rectangle. Let's say I want to draw my demand zone, or I want to draw my supply zone, or support and resistance, as you may call it. So you can just use this particular technical tool. If you want to use your trend line, everything is available here. Okay, everything is available at this particular point. You can just come here. This is the trend line. Let's say you want to use trend line. Okay, you can just go about to do this. So if you want to delete again, you just tap delete. You just tap delete. All right, you just tap delete. The process is very easy, guys. Trading is not difficult. All you need is you need to show up, you need to go easy. So in that light, if you want to understand proper as a complete beginner, or you have been trading but you are not profitable, I offer 1 month mentorship. Currently registration is ongoing. The cost is $50. It's going to take 1 month. I'm going to teach you guys about crypto, forex, and synthetic indices completely for beginners. You are going to learn everything. So if you are interested, connect with me, send me a message, all right, by Instagram or Facebook, or you send message to my X account, or previously called Twitter, at Joseph Cisse Concept. Please note, my accounts are all verified. You are going to see the blue tick. Don't send money to scammers. Make sure you reach out to me. Use the link in the description to reach out to my ideal, my correct social media platform. Let's continue, fam. So this is where you tend to add your icons. Okay, you tend to add your icons. Then you see this area here, all right, where you are seeing clock. If you press here, this is where you try to set your pending orders. All right, we have 2 types of orders: market order and pending orders. You can check my technical analysis playlist to understand more about this. Then this other icon here is if you want to this area is for your lot size. All right, this for your lot size. If you don't know what a lot size is, check my previous video. So you can change your lot size here. For example, let's say you want to use 1 standard and you want to change it to 2 standard, or you want to use 0.5. You can just use. If you press buy now, it means you are buying you are saying the price is market is going to go up. If you press sell, you are saying the market is going to go down. Okay, so you can just do this all what you need to know for this particular area. Then let's come to trade section. Currently we don't have open trade. All right, we have no open trade. Our balance, all right, is 0. The equity, this is going to be if you deposit $10, the $10 is your balance. Let's say you have an open trade. Let's say you are making $1. Your equity is going to be $11. How do you determine your equity? You determine the equity, your balance times the profit or the loss. So for example, let's say we deposited what, $10 now. The $10 is going to be our balance, right? Let's say we are making $1 profit. So the balance is going to be what? $10 plus what? $1, which is our equity. So our equity now is going to be $11. Why? We are making profit. So if you are making a loss, let's say you have what? You deposited $10, you are making a loss of $2. So your equity is going to be what? $8. All right, free margin is what? The amount of cash you have to open more position. You come to this what area for history. This is where you tend to see what? Your previous trades. Okay, you can go for last week, last month, last 3 months, last year. You tend to see all your history. Then you come to what? Settings. This is where you just tend to what? Connect if you want to customize your chart, like this particular area. All right, you can come to the chart if you want, like what? The line chart. We have different chart, the bar chart, the candlestick chart, the line chart. Okay, so you can just do this. Like if you want to see your ask price in this on the screen, your stop loss and take profit level, your trade history, you can just turn this on. All right, and other necessary stuff. If you want to change the color of your candle, you come to colors here. Then the bar up, you see it is what? Red. You can change yours to blue, to green, pink, so anyhow you want, as long as what you are the one understanding this one, then you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. So this is what? Line chart. Okay, but line chart does not give you like what? Lot of information, but it is very good if you want to draw your support and resistance zone. You see, right? So you can easily what? Be able to identify what? Structures and all. So I'll go back to my candlestick chart because it gives you what? More information. Okay, it gives you what? More information. It tells you about what? The open, the high, the close, the low. All right, it shows you what? The upper wick, right, and the lower wick, and it shows you what? The body. You want to pay attention to the body. It's like what's very, very important. So guys, this is all you need to know. Now let's say you want to connect your broker to MT5. You just come here, you go to new. Okay, then if you watch the video, just go and watch my video, copy what the server name here, then you are just going to continue to do what? This necessary process. Okay, you just need to continue to do what? This necessary process. Now there is also another thing you need to know. Let's say you want to trade. Instead of you coming to the chart here and you go to the top to press what? Buy and sell, you can easily tap the pair you want to trade. For example, let's say we want to trade BTC USD. You tap here, you are going to see what? Trade. Right? If you tap trade, you are going to see what? First, different types of orders, right? We have market execution, which is called instant execution or market order. You have this other pending orders. So I'm not going to explain about this. I've already explained. This is where you enter what? Your lot size. And this is where you enter what? The entry price, the stop loss, take profit. I've explained about what? Stop loss, take profit. Then you place your order. Okay? Then if we go back here again, you can still use this one to arrive at the chart. So in case you don't want to use this icon, if you tab in here now, you are going to be able to arrive what? At the chart easily. Then if you are going to see details, this gives you details about the pair and all. Okay, so the category here is what? Crypto. All right, so Bitcoin is what? Under cryptocurrency. If you say GBP USD, it is what? Under like currencies, right? Forex currencies. Then if you take Zaro, all right, this is what? Metals. All right, it is metals. So you tend to read about every other thing here when the market is going to open, and a whole lot of other stuff are available for you. What do I mean by this? Let's say GBP USD. You see, these are what? Minor. Okay, minor. So we have what? The different types of what? Pairs, all right, different type of currency pairs. I'm not going to go into details about that. Okay, so guys, this is it for the video for the MetaTrader 5. I'll try to do also for MT4 as well. All right, I'll try to do also for MT4. Let's say you try to add any pair mistakenly here. All you need to do is you go to this pencil icon again, you just have what? Delete. Then you are going to be what? Good to go. Then you are what? Good to go. So let me know in the comment section if you find value, and let me know the next video you want me to like make for you guys. And definitely you already know Josao always tend to show up. Show the boy some love by what? Hitting the subscription icon button. Show the boy some love. All right, so far this is it for today's video. Hope you find value. Smash the subscription. Like, it's very, very important, guys. We need to grow this community to 50,000 before December 31st. And one thing I know is, like, you guys are never going to disappoint me. I can see the smile already on your face, bro. Sis, I love you. All right, I'll see you guys in other upcoming tutorials. Ensure to subscribe. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, Josao always turn up. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.